Well, since we opened in 2001, we've had the privilege of doing over 100,000 people in the Calderdale and surrounding areas. And we know how daunting it is to come into a salon, especially for the first time, thinking, are you going to be listened to? Are they going to be able to do what I want? So what we've done this customer promise to ensure that people know exactly what they're going to get when they come in, so they can be a bit more relaxed when they come into the salon. 3 ways you can contact us. It's either telephone on Halifax, which is 01422 366 080. Go onto our website, which is www.anthony-james.co.uk. You can email at air@anthony-james.co.uk.